Hello, I am Korzystnański and today I would like to show you how to kickstart TYPO3 Headless project from the scratch. We will follow TYPO3 installation guide and then install TYPO3 Headless. You will see how fast you can transform TYPO3 into Headless CMS and share your content across multiple platforms. Let's start. At the right side you can see TYPO3 installation guide. We will use DDEV. You can verify if you have DDEV installation by typing DDEV in terminal. Let's go to tutorial. We need to create empty directory. I will go into my project directory and create T3H version 12. Let's go into this directory and then we have this DDEV config line. And you can see that there is project type set to TYPO3. We have doc root as public and PHP. I will change it to version 8.3 as it's the latest available. We need to start containers and wait a bit. Next step is to composer create CMS based distribution. We need to wait for containers. I will copy this command. Let's go. Right now Composer is installing TYPO3 and all required dependencies. There is also container rebooting, so we need to wait a bit. And in next step we'll follow CLI command. We'll use CLI command which was introduced in version 12. This command will set up TYPO3 site for us. So let's go. We execute TYPO3 binary with setup command. Okay, for web server we would like to use Nginx, so we type order. Now for database driver we use MySQL, and now let's enter database username, it's DB, password is also DB, port is default, host is DB, and we will select DB database. Yeah, and now I will create admin user and add my email. And yes, we would like to have TYPO3 Headless project name. And now command line asks us if we want to create a basic site, and we would like to do so. So we need to enter HTTPS and use directory name. So it's T3H version 12 DDEV site. It's default URL for DDEV projects. Okay, let's go into our TYPO3 backend. Okay, it's front end. So now we'll go here, enter my quick credentials. Okay, and right now I'm in TYPO3 backend, which is properly installed, and we have this new basic site which is called home. Okay, let's go back to terminal. I will install TYPO3 Headless. So it's friends of TYPO3 Headless. DDEV composer require friends of TYPO3 Headless, and let's go. Okay, let's go back to TYPO3 backend and go click into TypoScript module. Now we need to change select to edit TypoScript record and edit the whole TypoScript record. Here we can see this setup, and actually it's this front end that you see here. We will remove it as we don't need it anymore. And let's go into advanced options. Here we can see that we are using fluid styled content and fluid content elements. I will remove it and select headless. Let's see what we have now. You can see that there is JSON output right away. So it's very fast to set up TYPO3 Headless and have some JSON output out of it. Right now we can share your content across multiple platforms. without any problems. But let's see if we can add some content element here. Let's add text element with header set to header and some basic heading. I will add paragraph. Heading 3. Let's go. And some test content. Let's refresh this page. And you can see that in response we got content element with content header set to header and some body text. Thank you very much.